If your leadership team is striving to reach new levels of performance, it's not just a business issue. It's a brain issue. And until you address it, you'll keep hitting the same frustrating roadblocks. Because here's the thing, your leadership team's habits are deeply wired into their brains. When culture, climate, and context are not fully aligned, you'll find the same unproductive patterns repeating themselves, like silos forming because people are stuck in defensive, self-protective modes, or communication breaking down because trust is low and psychological safety is missing, or teams pulling in different directions, wasting precious energy and leaving potential on the table. The T for P Clarity³ model is built on powerful insights from applied neuroscience. It helps your leadership team to reframe stress triggers, cultivate trust, and align purpose, processes, and priorities for maximum impact. When you get this right, your team doesn't just perform, they thrive with energy, focus, and resilience. So if you're ready to transform your leadership team's performance, join Ali and me for our upcoming workshop on Tuesday, the 22nd of April at 12:30 p.m. It's called The Missing Piece in Your Leadership Team's Success and How to Find It. In just 50 minutes, you'll gain practical tools and insights to help your team realign and focus and release your true potential. We can't wait to show you what's possible. Just click on the link below and join us.